Good morning, children, and welcome back to the Digital Classroom by Vikram Juneja. In my previous video, I had taught you the stanza-wise explanation of the cold within. This particular video is going to deal with the theme of the cold within, the title justification, and the poetic devices used in the poem. To begin with, we are going to discuss the theme of the cold within. The theme of the poem, The Cold Within. The cold within refers to the lack of feelings for hatred of others, which is nothing short of a cardinal sin. Many of us develop this coldness in our hearts out of some prejudice. The prejudice may relate to race, color, caste, region, or religion. It makes us mean, stingy, selfish, greedy, or unkind. In the poem The Cold Within, 6 men trapped together in extreme cold somewhere perish because of the one or the other prejudice. The coldness in their hearts, rather than the coldness outdoors, proves fatal to them. This group of 6 men is near the fire which is dying fast. Each one knows that it is the only the fire that can make them survive. Each has a stick of wood which can keep the fire burning. Ironically, no one is willing to give up his stick for one reason or the other. The result is their death by the cold, and that is the cold within. This is the major theme of the poem. The idea is that the coldness in man's heart is a kind of death. The title justification of the cold within. By the phrase the cold within, the poet means the coldness of the hearts, the lack of warm human spirits of the 6 persons who gathered around the dying fire in that winter evening. Though all of them possessed a log of wood, none agreed to give it to the fire to keep it burning and keep them warm. This was because of the discriminatory attitude they had against each other over petty things like class, caste, color, religious faith, or ethnicity. In the end, they were found frozen to death with their logs held in their still hands. Therefore, the poet commented that death was not due to the cold outside. It was the cold within their hearts that killed them. This is a great way to convey the message of harmony in the society, and the way Kine sums up the poem is amazing. The title of the poem, The Cold Within, is suggestive of the central theme or message of the poem, and thus is just and apt. The literary devices used in the poem The Cold Within. Kinney's poem The Cold Within is rich in its use of poetic devices or figures of speech for that matter. However, the literary devices found in the poem are alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of similar consonant sounds at the beginning of adjacent words. The example is in bleak and bitter cold. The repetition of B in bleak and bitter cold is an example of alliteration here. The next one is metaphor. Metaphor is an indirect and implied comparison of two different things where there is a point of similarity. The example is giving only to those who gave was how he played the game. In the above lines, human life is compared to a game. The last man would give something to one who could give him something in return. This is how he played the game of life. The comparison of life to a game is a metaphor. The third literary device used in this poem is metonymy. A metonymy is a word or phrase used to mean something closely associated to it. Now the example is saw one not of his church. Here the word church represents religious faith. The second man saw that a man present there was not sharing his beliefs. so it can be classified as metonymy. Children, kindly find attached the assignment related to the video. You may attempt this assignment in your loose sheets or the Fair Literature and English notebooks, whichever is available with you. Thank you and have a nice day.